Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to rhyme, practice the first sound, and blend. Let's start with rhyming. I will say one word and then two more words. You tell me which of these two words rhymes with this first word. Which word rhymes with nest, chest, or sun? Nest, chest. They both have est. Which word rhymes with pant, miss, plant? Pant, plant. They both have ant. Which word rhymes with thump, bump, stand? Thump, bump. They both have ump. Which word rhymes with thing, string, this? Thing, string. They both have ing. Our next activity is I will say a word and I want you to tell me the first sound, and it will be a digraph. What is the first sound in chase? Ch. What is the first sound in share? Sh. Okay, now I'm just going to say words and I want you to say the first sound with me. Them, the, chime, ch, thick, th, check, ch, shave, sh, there, the, cheek, ch, thin, th. All right, for our last activity, I am going to say some sounds and we're going to blend them together. What would this word be? N, ch. Lunch, lunch. So I will say the sounds. You help me put them together. Mint, mint, mint. Sold, sold, sold. Ranch, ranch, ranch. Field, field, field. Rent, rent, rent. And last one, pond, pond, pond. Nice work.